So, in recent video parts, we have learned about various properties of material which help us in grouping of material into various groups. Like this, today we will going to learn about some more properties of material and which will help us in sorting of material. So, substances or material can be grouped into two groups as when we place student any object in water there will be two possibility, either it will be float or either it will sink at the bottom of container. On the basis of these different behavior, that is sinking and floating, I can group my material into two groups: material which is floating and material which is sink at the bottom of container. So how this all take place, let us see. So, substances when placed in water, they show different behavior. Some will float whereas some will sink. So, student, whenever we placed any material inside a water or into a water, there will be two possibilities. Some material will float whereas some will sink at the bottom of container. That means on the basis of these two different behavior, I can group material into two अलग classes, like material which float or material which sink. So what is the reason for floating and sinking? So it is, let us see, object which are heavier than water will sink. So student, any object which is heavier than water, it will sink down at the bottom of container, whereas objects which are lighter than water will float. So student, floating or sinking of object is based or depend upon its nature, whether it is heavier or lighter. If a material is heavier, it will sink at the bottom of container, whereas if it is light, it will float on the top of water. So let us see a video part in through which we will try to learn about different materials which are floating or sinking in water. Let us see. So student, in this small activity we will check floating or sinking nature of substance. Let here I am putting some substances into the jug containing water, and you can see some substances are floating whereas some are sinking at the bottom of container. Until now we have put a key, whereas eraser, a big paper, and a plastic spoon and a eraser cover, whereas a plastic piece. So you can see here, out of this different material, plastic piece, big paper, your spoon, as well as your paper piece are floating on the top of water, whereas your key as well as your eraser are sink down at the bottom of container. Why? Why this all happen? Because of their lighter and heavier nature. In above activity, we seen the eraser and keys which are sink at the bottom of container are heavier than water. Hence, they sink at the bottom of container. Whereas your plastic spoon, plastic wrapper, and your a paper piece, they are lighter than water. Hence, they are floating on the top of water. So student, with this video we have learned that material can be grouped into two categories: floating or sinking, and this property depend upon their nature, whether they are heavier or lighter. If a material is lighter, it will float on the top of water, and if it is heavier, then it will sink at the bottom of container. Like this, you can check different material which are present in your home, and which are heavier and which are lighter. You can easily check with the help of this activity. Thank you. In the next video part, we will going to learn about transparent, translucent, and opaque object. Thank you.